Welcome to this guide on meal planning to save money. If you feel like your grocery bills are getting out of control, you're not alone. Many families struggle with food costs, but there's a simple solution that can help you eat well while spending less. Meal planning is a strategic approach that can transform your spending habits and help you save hundreds of dollars every month. By the end of this video, you'll have practical steps to start planning your meals effectively and watch your savings grow. Before diving into the how-to, let's understand why meal planning is so powerful. First, it can save you hundreds of dollars monthly by eliminating impulse purchases and restaurant visits. Second, it dramatically reduces food waste, which means you're not throwing money in the trash. Third, meal planning saves you time and reduces the daily stress of figuring out what to cook. Finally, when you plan ahead, you naturally make healthier food choices because you're not relying on last-minute convenience foods. These 4 benefits work together to improve both your financial health and your overall well-being. The first step in effective meal planning is taking inventory of what you already own. Start by scanning your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer to see what ingredients are available. Pay special attention to items that are approaching their expiration dates, as these should be used first. The goal is to build your weekly meals around ingredients you already have at home. This simple practice prevents duplicate purchases and ensures nothing goes to waste. Many people are surprised to discover they have enough food for several meals already sitting in their kitchen. Once you know what you have, it's time to plan your meals for the week. Choose 5 to 7 simple recipes that your family enjoys and that fit your schedule. A helpful strategy is using theme nights, like Taco Tuesday or Pasta Friday, which makes planning easier and more predictable. Also, plan strategically for leftovers. For example, if you roast a chicken on Sunday, you can use the leftover meat for sandwiches, salads, or soup later in the week. This approach maximizes your ingredients and minimizes cooking time throughout the week. After planning your meals, create a detailed shopping list and stick to it strictly. This is where most people save the most money because a list prevents impulse purchases that can add 30 to 50% to your grocery bill. When shopping, focus on buying seasonal produce, which is both cheaper and fresher. Another important tip is to compare unit prices rather than package prices. A larger package might seem like a better deal, but checking the price per ounce or per pound tells you the true value. Shopping with intention is the key to staying within budget. Batch cooking is a game changer for busy households. The concept is simple: cook once and eat multiple times. When you prepare a large batch of food, you can portion it out for several meals throughout the week or even month. Many foods like soups, casseroles, grains, and proteins freeze beautifully. By spending a few hours cooking on the weekend, you create future-ready meals that save you from ordering takeout on busy weeknights. This strategy not only saves money, but also ensures you always have a healthy meal available, no matter how hectic life gets. To stay motivated, track your spending before and after implementing meal planning. Research shows that the average family saves between $200 and $400 per month through consistent meal planning. Keep your grocery receipts and compare them month to month. You'll likely notice a significant drop in both grocery spending and restaurant expenses. Some families save even more by reducing food waste and eliminating last-minute convenience store trips. Seeing these concrete numbers will encourage you to maintain your meal planning habits long-term. If meal planning feels overwhelming, remember that you don't have to be perfect from day one. Start small by planning just 3 meals for the upcoming week. As you get comfortable with the process, gradually increase to planning more meals. The key is consistency, not perfection. Even planning a few meals each week will lead to noticeable savings. Small changes create lasting habits, and before you know it, meal planning will become second nature. Take the first step today and watch your savings grow while you continue eating delicious, healthy meals.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.